So welcome to the project demonstration of so here we are going to demonstrate solar powered cleaning robots along with obstacle detection as well as voltage display on this LCD screen. So this is advanced version of the previous project which we made already. So in this project we have added the two brushes which were supported to clean the room or a surface, and now in this project we are going to making use of same solar panel, but we are using of around 12 volt 3 amps, that is 36 watts of battery was mounted under this solar panel, and the whole system was driven by the same PIC microcontroller, and the remaining connections all are same. Only thing is we have added the two DC motors along with extra switch. So this switch is a main motherboard switch. So when we switch on this, the kit will be on, and after switching on this, when we switch on this, these two brushes will start rotating. Okay, so let us see the demonstration. So just initially switch on this, so welcome message as well as to start rotating if the obstacle is detected. Right, now it will start moving. When the obstacle is detected, it will take the alternate direction. Right. And coming to the cleaning, so we'll demonstrate the cleaning section. Now just initially switch on this switch and then this one, so automatically the robot start cleaning. So you can place that. Right, obstacle detected, it will take the alternate direction. Right, and on LCD we can see the voltage also. Right, thank you.